Hey everyone, thanks for checking out another video. John brought his 2009 Acura TSX into the shop for a tune today, and this thing put down some great numbers, so I thought I'd do a video for you guys. Like usual, I've already done all the dyno tuning. First, I'm gonna go through all the details of this build, then I'll share the shots of the dyno pulls, and then I'll share the final results at the end. So John's car here is what you would consider full bolt-on. It has the original unopened K24Z3 engine that these TSXs came with, but he has done all the bolt-on upgrades that you can do. Starting at the intake side, this is an original K&N short ram intake or cold air. I'm not sure what the original configuration was, but he had to modify it to work with an RBC intake manifold that he has had cut open, port and polished, and blended back in, so you can't even tell that it's been cut, port, and polished. He is also running a J37 Throttle Body with the adapter plate to go to the RBC intake manifold. He's running RDX Injectors. The exhaust system consists of a Skunk2 Downpipe, catless downpipe, and a custom 3-inch exhaust. So basically full bolt-ons on this setup. No internal mods, the engine is completely stock, but we are tuning it on Hondata Flashpro today. It's got basically 91 octane pump gas in the tank. This car is pretty unique from the outside. It actually has a Honda Modulo body kit on it, which consists of bumpers, side skirts, rear bumper. He's also got a pretty cool wheel and brake package. These are Advan RG2 wheels with Brembo upgraded brakes. So apparently these are Hyundai Genesis calipers that bolt right onto the TSX spindles with a set of Nissan Rogue rotors. Pretty cool upgrade. They look great, and I'm sure they stop way better than the stock brakes. But yeah, I don't see a lot of these cars, but this one performed really well and it looks pretty cool. So why don't I cut to the shots of the dyno pulls, and then we'll share the final results at the end. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed those dyno pulls, but I'm sure you're interested in seeing what this thing put down today. It is October and it is fairly cool, so it did put down some good numbers. Today, we managed to make 220 wheel horsepower, 182 foot-pounds torque, revving it out to 7,600 RPM today. This engine is normally rated, I believe, 201 crank horsepower, and they would normally put down like 180 something, 190 something at the wheels, but with all of these bolt-on upgrades, it is making 220 wheel horsepower. So really good results. This thing should move now. I think the owner's gonna be super happy with it, and we've already been talking. Hopefully he's gonna come back with maybe a set of the newly available upgraded cams that a couple companies have started offering for the K24Z engines. So let me know what you think in the comments, guys. If you want to see this thing come back with a set of cams and we'll do a comparison, let me know and I'll try to talk the owner into it. So anyways, that's about it for this video, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching. If you do like it, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, and I will continue to keep making these videos. So thanks again. See you again soon.